2018 Chevrolet Impala. With less than 37,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.